is my side hustle. I clean dirty windows and make $1,000 a day.
Instead of washing windows, here's a side hustle you can do from home. First, go to clickbank.com and then sign up. Once you've made your account, you want to go to the marketplace and on your left, choose any category you like. I'm going with health and fitness. Next, you want to sort by high gravity to find more popular products. The higher the gravity score, the more success you'll have promoting the product because customers are achieving results with it. Now you'll find a ton of products you can promote without a social media following or sponsorship. You want to look for a product with at least 100 gravity score and a high average conversion. Once you've found your product, you want to click promote to generate your hop link. This link is super important because it's how you're going to get paid. Next, you want to go to Pinterest and create an account. Then you want to create a pin, put in the details of your product, then put the hop link in at the bottom. And if someone buys through your pin, you'll receive a commission of this much per person every time. The best part, you don't have to handle or ship any products because whenever you receive a new commission, the company's products you're promoting will do all the work for you. If you want to learn how I turned this into a 5-figure per month business, follow and see my profile.